Hello guys, so here on the screen you can see a strategy that I developed. It works mostly for scalpers, 15 minutes and 1 minute time frames. All right, so you analyze this on a 15 minutes time frame and your entry is usually 1 minute or 2 minutes. But this strategy can also be used on higher time frames. All right, you just have to master the strategy and then you can use it. But as for me, I've used it mostly for scalping 15 minutes and below, and usually I use this for scalping gold and BTC USD. So pay attention for those who are trading in lower time frames. This can be actually very beneficial for you guys. Okay, 15 minutes analyzing and 1 minute or 2 minutes entry. So guys, watch this. All right, it is more like a reversal strategy. All right, if the market has been trending downwards like this in a lower time frame of 15 minutes, all right, and then you see your previous support level, this kind of reaction, and you see a consolidation, a kind of consolidation in between here, you see that the price is not really closing above or below. You can see that up here, the price tried to break above here, but it closed within that range. And also you can see that the price has not broken below this support level, and it tried to break out here, but there's that reaction back into the range. All right, and you can see that the price is consolidating for some time. This can happen. All right, the price is consolidating for some time in between here. Okay, in between here, it's not breaking above and closing above with a candle body. You just see wicks. All right, we don't consider wicks as breaking the breaking out, all right, of the consolidation. We consider the full candle body, okay, for it to be a valid breakout. When you see a candlestick like that one breaking out of the range, all right, and closing above the range with a candle body, not the wick, that's when you now consider going down to your lower time frame of 2 minutes, okay, because all of this is happening in a 15 minutes time frame. All right, this is 15 minutes. All right, this is a 15 minutes time frame. So you are looking at this on a 15 minutes time frame, and then when you see this breakout happening, and closing above that range, then you know there is a reversal going to happen in a very lower time frame. So you're going to scalp this very fast. You go to your 2 minutes time frame, okay? So you will go to your 2 minutes time frame for your entry. All right? So this will be a 15 minutes analysis, okay? This will be the analysis on a 15 minutes time frame. And your entry will be 2 minutes or 1 minute. All right, so make sure you have this range, okay, figured out, this range here. So what you're waiting for is a breakout of that range where I have drawn this. Let me change the color to yellow. All right, that yellow zone. Okay, as long as the price is within that range and it has not broken below the support, and it has not broken above the range up here, all right, you do not sell or buy. You wait for a breakout above here or even below here. If the price breaks below here, let's say you have a candlestick like this. Let's say you have a candlestick breaking out below here like that, all right. Let's say this is a bearish candle and it is closing very much bearish like this. If this happens and this candle closes, okay, below this range, then you are going to consider a slight retest in a lower time frame, a slight retracement, and when you see that bearish momentum, then you can enter in for a sell. All right, and then up here, when you see that bullish momentum and the price has closed above here, above this range, you wait for a pullback for the next candle to pull back within this range, and then you consider buying, okay, a few pips up here. Remember, you are scalping in lower time frames. You are not going to hold for long. In some cases, you'll enter without setting stop loss because you are really in lower time frames and you are just scalping and you are considering taking a few pips and you are out of the market with your profit. All right. But to be safe, for those who have low account balances, all right, you can set your stop loss just within the range here. Okay. After, for example, when you see a long wick candle forming around here, all right, you see a long wick candle forming here. So let's say you have the next candle like that, all right, you have the next candle like that with a long wick at the bottom. Okay, you have a long wick at the bottom reacting to that area. Okay, when you see that kind of reaction, then you know that that at the bottom of that reaction, that's where you put your stop loss. Okay, you put your stop loss, your SL there, your stop loss there, and you place your buy order. Okay, you place your buy order immediately because you are scalping and you're taking your positions in and out quickly. So that's how you'd enter your trade. All right, target at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to the upside. Okay, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to the upside, but in a 2 minutes time frame because you are scalping, and this would give you a win. All right, if you follow this strategy and watch carefully, especially when you are trading gold or BTC, this works very well on gold and BTC. Okay, USD. So if you see this kind of this should be a bullish candle. I'll change that to blue. All right, this should be a bullish candle. So when you see that kind of reaction, you are considering buying all the way to the upside. Okay, but there is a possibility of the candle also breaking below here, which is why I said you have to pay attention. There can be also the next candle could also be something like this. Could be a bearish candle. Okay, looking like this. All right, just pay attention. Okay, so if you have a candle like this reacting to this area, okay, within there, okay, it could still be active, but you can enter this trade because you are placing your trades in and out quickly. All right, it's a scalp, and you consider putting your stop loss just above that candle. Okay, candle's high right there. Okay, so your stop loss will just be there, and then you are in this trade to scalp it for a short time. Place your stop loss just there, okay, within the range, and consider selling this all the way to a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to the downside, still in a 2 minutes time frame. All right, after this analysis, so what you are looking out is a break to reverse this to the upside. Okay, or you are looking at selling a breakout below this, and you are considering selling to the downside in a lower time frame. So in the opposite, this also works in the reverse. All right, let's say in your 15 minutes time frame, okay, the market is going all the way to the upside. All right, this is a 15 minutes time frame, and then at the resistance level you find a reaction like this. This is now a resistance level. You find a reaction forming like this, reduced momentum to the upside, and then you find a consolidation happening. Okay, a kind of consolidation like this. When this happens, you make sure that the candles within that range, okay, have not, you see, the candle has to close with its body below or above. All right, so in this case, let's look at this reversal here. So you can see that there was reduced momentum and there was a reaction here, okay, as the price is not able to break above that resistance level, okay, and begins going sideways and consolidating for some time. All right, this is in a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, these wicks up here do not count because that's a reaction, probably grabbing liquidity up here. Okay, buy side liquidity up here. All right, before dropping all the way down. So you have to pay attention. Make sure it's the candle body that closes. Like in this case, it was the candle body. You can see it was the candle body that closed. All right, and so you have to be quick. Go to your lower time frames of 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes right here, and you are looking at entering with the next candle that forms, the next bearish candle. Okay, it can be pretty quick because if it is like in a New York session, okay, and I advise you guys, please trade this strategy during a New York session. When you are trading gold or BTC, that's when the market is really moving, because for scalpers you really need that volume to move the market, okay, to move the candles so that you can scalp in and out quickly. So when you see this kind of reaction to the downside, so you are considering placing your sell order right there, your stop loss just above that candle range, okay, just above this candle right here. There will be your stop loss. Your stop loss will be right there, and then you can target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to the downside in a 2 minutes time frame. So you are scalping this quick in and out. All right, make sure you place your stop loss to protect your capital. But sometimes if you have large capital, you can also actually leave it open and keep watching what is happening. When you get the profit that you need, you get out of the market as quick as possible. That decision you have to make for yourself. All right, make sure you are not greedy. You get out of the market as soon as you are in profit target. All right, in your profit target, or you have achieved your profit target. All right, so this is the strategy really. Okay, alternatively, okay, because no one can predict the market as it is accurately, this price could also break above this range, okay, and go to the upside. All right, so what do you do when you see a bullish candle break out of this and close above? Okay, when you have a bullish candle like that, okay, so what you'll be looking for is the next candle. Okay, the next bullish candle should also be above there. Okay, you should see some kind of reaction to the upside out of this zone. All right, you should see some kind of reaction like that above. All right, so you place your buy order right there. You can place your buy order right there and consider placing your stop loss within the range, okay, within the range, but below that candle wick, okay, within there, and then consider a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio to the upside. 2 risk to reward ratio to the upside. This is a quick scalp in and out. So this works. Okay, let's look at it on a gold chart here. I'll show you here on a gold chart how this actually works. All right, so let's play this and let's see what happens. Okay, so we see here that gold is in an uptrend. All right, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so we see gold is moving up. It's moving up, and then it begins consolidating. So you can see that there is there's a resistance right here. Okay, there's a resistance right there. Let me just mark that out for you guys. So you can see that there's a resistance up here. That's your resistance. So you can see that the price previously going up, okay, and then we see this reaction happening around here. The price is not able to, the price, we can see that the price is just moving like that. Okay, so now we mark out our yellow zone right there. Okay, this is our most significant swing low right here, this one here. So the price is not really breaking below these lows right here. Okay, so it's just within there. So you can see this movement inside here. Okay, so now we are waiting for a breakout of that area. So this is what happens right here. So you can see a breakout that happened right there. Okay, that was the breakout we are waiting for. So it did not break above, but it broke below here. So what we are looking at is selling from this point. So you can see this candle. Okay, you can see this candle here. This candle here has closed below that range. All right, so the moment it closes in our 2 minutes time frame, we are going to enter this market. Okay, the moment it closes, okay, we are going to enter this trade and place our stop loss just above there. Okay, and target a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, you would win this trade. Okay, you can see you'd win this trade. All right, even if you played it, you'd see that the market, it would drop even further. So you can see that this trade would win. All right, also you can see in this case that gold was moving up, and then we can see a period of consolidation. Okay, it's forming higher highs and higher lows, but then we see a consolidation starting to happen. Okay, consolidation starting to happen. It's moving sideways. So what do? We mark out our zone. This is equal highs. Okay, so we would like to see gold break out of this zone. All right, break out of this zone. This is our most significant swing low. We can mark out like this. Okay, and we want to see gold break either below. Okay, we want to see gold break either below, all right, or break above here, or break above here for us to buy. Okay, so that's what we'll be waiting for. So let's play this and see what happens. Okay, still consolidating in there. It's not really breaking out. Boom. So we see a breakout happening right there. This is a breakout happening right here. Okay, so now that gets our attention. So we go to our lower time frames. That would be 2 minutes, and we are looking to enter this market. So there is a bullish candle. It closed. All right, and so we are waiting for that confirmation for us to enter. All right, so now it reversed back into the range to retest this previous breakout, and now we are going to enter this market right here. Okay, we would enter right there with that bullish candle, and then would place our stop loss just below here, and then we consider a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio to the upside. All right, that's what we would do. All right, and then would let this run. Okay, let's play and see what happens here. Boom. So you can see that would be a winning trade. Okay, at a 1-to-2, and you scalp quick and you are out. So this trade, these breakouts really on lower time frames for scalpers are really good. Are really good. Okay, as you can see, this was a very clean breakout and retest before going all the way to the upside. So guys, that is the strategy you can use actually to trade at lower time frames, scalp the market and make some money. For those who have small accounts, you can actually grow a small account with this scalping strategy. You use proper risk management, okay? Especially when you are trading highly volatile pairs like BTC USD or XAU USD, that is gold. All right. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have watched this video till this point, consider giving a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel as I bring you content like this, at least a video every week. It's only fair that you subscribe, like the video, and also share. Comment down below your thoughts, and let's go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.